Welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a fast, accurate, and reliable 3D printer in 2026, this video is for you. Today, we are reviewing the top 5 best 3D printers on Amazon, focusing on print speed, precision, build quality, ease of use, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. FlashForge AD5M Pro, high-speed precision 3D printer. The FlashForge AD5M Pro features a CoreXY structure, blazing fast 600 mm per second print speed, full auto calibration, dual nozzle support, and a built-in camera. It also offers quiet operation at under 50 dB. This printer is designed for advanced users who want speed without sacrificing accuracy. Auto calibration works flawlessly, and the auxiliary chamber cooling helps maintain consistent print quality. The built-in camera is excellent for remote monitoring. Pros: 600 mm per second ultra-fast printing, fully automatic calibration, quiet operation, built-in monitoring camera. The AD5M Pro is an excellent choice for professionals and serious hobbyists who demand speed, precision, and reliability. Number 2. FlashForge AD5M, fast and beginner-friendly CoreXY printer. The FlashForge AD5M offers one-click auto calibration, 600 mm per second print speed, an all-metal CoreXY frame, and a quick swap nozzle system. It features a standard 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume. This model balances speed and ease of use perfectly. The automatic calibration makes it beginner-friendly, while the rigid frame ensures stable, accurate prints. Maintenance is simple thanks to the quick-change nozzle. Pros: easy one-click setup, high-speed CoreXY design, solid all-metal structure, beginner-friendly. The AD5M is ideal for beginners and intermediate users who want fast printing with minimal setup hassle. Number 3. FlashForge AD5XD, multicolor high-speed 3D printer. The FlashForge AD5XD supports multicolor printing, features a 600 mm CoreXY system, auto leveling, and a 300 C direct drive extruder. Multicolor printing is smooth and reliable, making this printer great for creative projects. The direct drive extruder handles flexible and high-temperature filaments well. Print quality remains consistent even at high speeds. Pros: multicolor printing support, high-temperature direct drive extruder, fast and precise CoreXY system, auto leveling. The AD5XD is perfect for designers and creators who want multicolor prints without sacrificing speed. Number 4. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro, reliable all-round 3D printer. The Adventurer 5M Pro offers one-click auto printing, 600 mm per second speed, a detachable 280 C nozzle, and a durable all-metal CoreXY structure. This printer delivers reliable performance with minimal setup. The detachable nozzle makes maintenance fast and easy. It's well suited for both functional prints and creative projects. Pros: simple one-click printing, fast and stable performance, easy nozzle replacement, solid build quality. The Adventurer 5M Pro is a great choice for users who want reliable performance and ease of use. Number 5. Creality K1C, high-speed carbon fiber-ready 3D printer. The Creality K1C features 600 mm per second printing speed, auto leveling, a clog-free direct extruder, AI camera, and support for carbon fiber filaments with a 300 C hot end. This printer excels at high-performance materials. The AI camera adds intelligent monitoring and failure detection. Silent mode makes it suitable for home and office environments. Pros: supports carbon fiber filaments, AI camera monitoring, fast and precise printing, silent operation mode. The Creality K1C is ideal for engineering, prototyping, and advanced material printing. These are the top 5 best 3D printers on Amazon in 2026. Each printer excels in different areas, whether it's speed, ease of use, multicolor printing, or advanced materials. Check the links in the description for latest prices and exclusive deals. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment which 3D printer you are planning to buy.